Good evening all, this is Bharati. I hope you can remember. Over past 5 to 6 days I didn't post any videos because of some issues on my phone, and today I came up with a new topic, when we started using currency. So this is the question which we are going to discuss right now. And before that, if you're not yet subscribed this channel, do subscribe and enable the notification so that you can get my videos without any issues. And I thank all of the subscribers and viewers for your continuous support. Totally we have 51 subscribers till now, and we achieved 8.3 watching hours. You all already know that I am not using any animated clippings and better voiceover clips, and even I'm using the language English. So all these things are simple barrier, right? So it does not reach all the set of people, but even though we achieved 8.3 watching hours as well as 51 subscribers, and I really happy, and thank you for all the subscribers and viewers. And moreover, you don't hesitate to post your valuable comments. If you have any query or suggestion, what are all the things you are thinking, just don't hesitate to post your comments. And I try to, because then only I came to know what are all the things which I have to change. Okay, coming back to the topic, the question is when we started using currency. I'm not explaining with the timeline and digging the history. Just simply I'm going to explain how we started using currency. And ancient people, we all clearly know, they people only, the main focus of ancient people is searching food. So they just roam in search of food. Later they sit in the same place and started doing agriculture. Then the demands of the ancient people is varied. For example, if I have rice, some of the people have wheat or barley. We exchanged our goods without money. So later we faced an issue that the ancient people faced an issue that insufficient demand. There is some backlog in the demand. For example, I have rice, some other person have barley or wheat, but I need barley or wheat, but the person too does not need rice. So the person too hesitate to exchange the goods. So in this term, in that time they started using property as money. Okay, then earlier in India, especially in India, they started shells as a money. Because in early days shells are used to making ornaments, so they people considered shells as a valuable thing. So in case of exchanging goods, they started using 5 shells to get a quantity of rice or to get a quantity of wheat. So this is the first property to commodity exchange. First commodity to commodity exchange, then property to commodity exchange, money to commodity exchange. This is second thing. And third thing, the people started using metal coins. We all know now we have enhanced machines, ONGC, like concerns are there to easily do the mine works. In the ancient days, we does not have such kind of machines, everything done by manually. So the mining work, then manpower used, these things exceeds the money value. For example, if I try to make a 1 rupee coin, the value of a metal and the value of a manpower, efforts, all the things exceeds that 1 rupee. So again the people started facing some issues on metal coins. Then they started using currency, paper currency. So this is how the evolution of money came up with. Nowadays it plays a prominent role. It seems like oxygen. Without money no one can live, right? So it seems like a visible oxygen to the people, right? So if you have any doubts, if you have any suggestions, please don't forget to do your comments. And thank you for watching. Sharmax. Bye.